Here's a quick look at the set of 3 charging cables by Minglu. And these are retractable, and it's 4 feet long. And it comes with a 12-month warranty. And I don't know what automatic switch means. And it's supposed to supercharge and has battery protection. Alright. This is actually my second set. And there were issues with my first set, which I'll get into later on. This extends and retracts really nice. It doesn't have any issues with the cables being tangled up like other recharging cables do. And I didn't measure it, but going offhand, it is about 4 feet long. Alright, so you get a micro USB charging head, an Android USB Type-C charging head, and an Apple lightning charging head. And this is a USB Type-A. I did use it already, like I said previously, and I used it to charge my Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra with a super fast charging capable Samsung power bank. And I did some measurements, and I'm going to take some screenshots and post those in my review as well. This charger, even though it's very versatile because it has 3 heads, you can charge a number of devices. It does not quick charge. It does not even super quick charge, super fast charge, or it doesn't even quick charge or fast charge compared to the regular OEM USB Type-C cable that came with the power bank. It's slow, and if you charge multiple devices, it's going to slow down even more. But that's not the fault of the cable. It's because the power bank or whatever outlet you have it connected to, it only charges, it only gets so much power. And if you split it 3 ways or 2 ways, it's going to slow down. And also, it's supposed to have data transfer. I did not test this, but data transfer is only available on the lightning charging cable for iPhones. And my first set that I bought previously, the USB Type-C portion died. So this is my second set, and hopefully it'll last longer for some reason. So I got a free replacement set from the seller. Alright, so overall I would give this a 4-star because it doesn't super quick charge. It doesn't even quickly charge. And one cable already died on me. So 3.5, I'll run up to 4 stars. Alright, thanks.